first thing that you're going to need when detailing your car is going to be some type of degreaser. Meguiar's is pretty good degreaser. You can get it for $37.99 at Amazon, and Super Clean, you can get it as low as $8.97 at Walmart, and you can pick it up. Now that you have your degreaser, you need some kind of deep cleaner, some kind of steam cleaner. I use this Bizo. It's a fairly cheap option that you can get at Target. That's where I got mine. Finally, in combination with the deep cleaner, the degreaser, and everything, you need something to go down deeper into the actual pores of these carpets. And then the tool that I'm using itself is a very specific tool that you need an air chuck to it. So you definitely need an air hose. So if you don't have an air hose and a way to connect to it, this tool right now, this is going to be a fairly expensive tool to have. But if you do have a way to hook up an air hose to it and get it working, this is the best tool you can get to get the surface grime to come up, and then you capture everything with the actual steam cleaner. So it works in combinations with it. You can't have one with the other one or one without the other one. They work together, and this tool does not take or lift any of that grime. That grime comes out into the surface, and then the steam cleaner cleans that off. So it only brings up all the dirt that's kind of stuck in there, or all the little grime that's in there. It makes it come up, but it doesn't remove it. So there's a thing, people get fooled because this thing is like, wow, it's leaving it really clean. It actually just removed and put the surface on the dirt on the surface, but it does not take it out. Quick video, I want to show you how to get from that, it was a lot worse than that, to this. All right, so all this does, it's going to loosen up any debris or dirt or anything like that that's built up on the mat. It's got that, it's gonna swivel all the way around. As you can see, the tip, it's like super grimy from that. It smells horrible too. It'll spin in a rotating circle and it'll brush everything off. I hit it once. Kind of looks like that. That's why it has those swirls all the way around. It's gonna look like this one when it's done. Then I'll dry it off. This one, I haven't hit it at all. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it one more time. And then the same thing, just this in here, and load up my solution in water. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it up with this.